Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Raphael Florentino. And for today's video, I'm continuing with the TMNT series of drawings. First, I completed Michelangelo, then I did Master Splinter. My latest one was Leonardo, the leader of the group. And now I'm drawing the hothead Raphael. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment, and let's get to it. So in this tiny sketchbook, I've been using only ballpoint pens in black, and these are cheap ballpoint pens. And again, I started off using a drafting pencil, drawing a very light sketch. A great underdrawing always makes for a great final drawing. With a drafting pencil, it's very easy to erase. And again, I did this because I wanted to challenge myself and see how much I can push the detail with using cheap pens. And the way that I do my art style, I like to do very detailed work even when it comes to cartoons or comic book characters. And here's the final result. Please enjoy this time-lapse video and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.